Let's take a look at number 6 from workshop. I saw that all of you represented by first drawing our old outdoor section and then representing our new outdoor section after they had taken away 3 feet from the width, labeling the sides 6 feet for length and 8 minus 3 feet for the width. What's that new width? 8 minus 3 is? Yes, 5 feet. Then I saw lots of friends represent and solve like this to answer the big question. Take a look at this student work. Do you agree or disagree, and why? Say your answer out loud. I heard many friends say that they disagree. Even though this friend solved accurately for area, why is their work incorrect? Say it out loud. That's right. This friend made a mistake because they solved correctly for area, but that is not what the big question is asking us. If we go back to the problem, the big question says, what is the perimeter of their new outdoor section? What equation do we use to solve for perimeter? Say it out loud. You said we use the equation perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side for however many sides are in that shape. That's right. This friend used the wrong equation, so they weren't answering the big question. Team, every time you're solving story problems about area and perimeter, it's so important to go back to the big question and think, is this problem asking me to find the area, or is this asking me to find the perimeter? Which equation do I need to use to help me solve? Now, let's solve correctly. How did you solve to find the perimeter of this shape? Say it out loud. I heard you say that you used our equation, P equals S plus S plus S plus S, to add all of the sides together. 6 plus 6 is 12, 5 plus 5 is 10, to give us a new perimeter of 22 feet. Nice work.